So hello guys, this is a simple tutorial using Solidworks Visualize. I have a version 2021 because Solidworks version is also 2021. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to render a simple part using Solidworks Visualize. You can use any type of Solidworks Visualize you have from almost any year. So this is what I have done for some projects, and for me is the easiest way. So you go to File and you go to Open. Here are your projects, Solidworks parts. You can also open Solidworks assembly. I'm gonna take one part from here. I don't know what any part from their list is looking like, but I'm gonna take this part. You see? Okay, here in the right you can adjust. You have here the color. You can change the color, but I'm gonna change here from picture or scenes. I'm gonna change the brightness. You can type here whatever you want. You see it's changing for me very easy because let's make it right here. Okay, let's make this like that. You can also use these settings, change them if you want, if you know what you are doing. So I have right now the NVIDIA GeForce 1050 Ti with 4 gigs VRAM and this CPU from Intel. But I'm gonna do right here on tools to now and options, tools options. Okay, and you go to 3D viewport. You can go to render device. You can also choose here. I had a AMD GPU, but now I select this. Okay, you can render device or CPU or GPU. You see, this is selected. This GPU that I have, I already showed you, from NVIDIA. So it's a GPU render. Or you can use a CPU, and here, what is the CPU usage? You can, it is put here 100%, but you can make it 85 or less if you want to use your computer, your machine to render. But if you wanna do also something else, for example you're browsing, so you can do, for example, 70 or 65. Okay, but the time will be more if you make this percent lower. Okay, so I will let like that, and you see is here CUDA enabled. Is something special for NVIDIA graphics cards. If you have, for example, AMD or something that is not supported with Solidworks Visualize, you will not have this feature enabled. Okay, so then after I'm going here, output tools. Okay, here I can make the location where I want it to be. I will let it in downloads, and I will rename it simple render. Okay, very simple. can choose is the format, and here let's make it 3000 by 2400. Okay, and start render. You will see it will open this new page, and because I have what I showed you, NVIDIA graphics card enabled, that feature named CUDA, it's pretty easy for this graphics card to render at this resolution in less than 1 minute to render this. I'm gonna show you also the last results, the picture itself. Okay, completed. Here is the link. You can also open the link, but I'm gonna press Windows plus E. I'm going to PC downloads, and here it's simple render. You go, and you can see this is the picture from this part rendered, and you see it's very clear. I made also a picture that is 8000 by 6000, and it's very, 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 very nice looking. But that, because it has a big resolution, I think it took 7 minutes to render, but it's fine. So this is just a simple tutorial on how to use Solidworks Visualize, and this is the result. You can use it on assemblies also, but depends on your system performance, graphics card and CPU. You will have better or less performance comparing to my system. So this is my system. Again, 4th generation Intel CPU, and this not very, very old, but it's an old graphics card, and I've got this. For what I use, it's okay. Thanks for watching, and we will see in the next video. Bye bye.